Okay. So if you see the select statement, after the select statement, we are going to write what columns do we need to view. All right. So it may be all the columns. If it is all the columns, I can use the star. If it is a specific column, if you know the name of the column, you can mention the name of the column. Then after the from keyword, we have to write the tables from which we are going to retrieve the data from. What are the tables we are going to take the data from? And in the where condition, after the where condition, we are going to give the condition like s equals, employee number equals this one, or say student admission number equals this. So this is the where clause, which is going to specify which particular row we are going to talk about. Okay, so this is the command for the select, and you have to create this table in your database. Before we do that, so we will first write this down and let me know when you are finished, then we can do it practically. Okay. Let me create this table in MySQL. So creating the table, we are going to create the table using the create table query. Create table employee number is in. I use key name for employee name. It's a Vacha, address Vacha, department Vacha, gender Vacha, and the salary is going to be int again. I'm going to run this code. Create table employee is successfully run. Okay. Now I'm going to insert value into this table. Insert into employee values. And I'm going to type in the values what they have given in the table. One Kamal Candy account, male 16,500. So one Kamal. So we will first do this. I will draw the template. I have one integer, 1, 2, 3, 4 vachas, and 2, 3, 4, and one more integer. Okay. So this is my template. So I will have how many records in my table? 7 records are there, so I'm going to have 7 copies of this. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I'm going to put in the values very quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So 7 records I have to do. So let me see the names. Kamal Amali Pereira. Kamal Amali Pereira. Tilakavati Nivanti Fernandez. Tilakavati Nivanti and Fernandez. Now let's see the address. Candy Colombo, Candy Colombo, Candy Candy, Candy Colombo, Candy Colombo, Candy Candy Market. So Candy Colombo, Candy Colombo, Candy Shiham left, right? Yeah, sure. Then account sales account personal. Account sales account personal. Account account. Now we'll see the salary. Oh, gender. Male, female, male, male, female, female, male. Male, 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 female, female, male. Now we have tried the salaries of each of them. 16,500, 26,500, 29,000. 26,500, 29,000. 18,000, 20,000. 20,000. 15,000, 21,500. 15,000, 21,500. Okay, now that I have all the insert into queries, I'm going to select all of these and say execute the selected portion. Now we will see whether these records have been inserted correctly. Select all means all columns from the table name employee. And let us see all the data have been entered in the table. So all of these are there. Okay, everybody okay until this we have done. Now we have created the table. Now we are going to see how we are going to use the queries to view the data in the table in a different way. Okay. Now we use select all from table. Okay. Select all from employee. Now this is going to show all the details in the employee table. That is, of course, we know. Now let's say I say select. What are the columns we have? Employee number and employee name. Let's say e name, comma. We can even take only the e name, no problem. But I will use e name and salary from employee. Now I'm specifying what columns I want to see. So only the e name and the employee column will be visible. The name and the salary. So name and the salary of the employee table will be visible. So if you want to view only portion or the selected columns, you define it here. The select field. Okay. Then we have some conditions that we can give. Okay. I will say select all the records from the employee. Select all records from employee table where department is equal to account. Okay, where department is equal to account. So all the people who are in the accounts department will be shown. There are 3 male and 1 female working in the accounts department. Okay, let's say when we have an integer, I want to see all the employees who are getting more than 17,000, more than 17,000 in the accounts department. So I will say select all from people, employee who are in the accounts department, department equals account, and just say and salary is greater than 17,000. I'm giving 2 conditions using that number. To show me the people who are getting more than 17,000 in the accounts department. Okay, so these are different ways of using select. There are some more. We can go by the name equals whatever, and we can use something called a between if you want to see a range of salaries. Okay, if you run this code and see select all, the range is from 15,000 to 29,000. Right, range is from 15,000 to 29,000. I want to see the range between 20 to 25,000. Who is earning between 20 to 28,000? Let's say 20 to 28,000. So I can use the word select all from employees where salary. Now we can use the keyword called between. Okay, keyword called between. Let's say between salary between 20 to 20,000 to 28,000. Okay, 20,000 to 28,000. Sorry, 20, not 2, it should be N. Between 20 and 20,000, 28,000.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah. O is
Sir, and the employee O is missing.
okay. I got it. Thank you. Now, when I run this code, all the people who are getting between 20 and 28 salaries, I have set here. Okay, I can even say the department. So 20 and 20,000 and department equals sales. Now only 2 records are there. 2 records should come there. Department equals sales, salary between 20 and 28,000. Okay, so this is another way of writing. Then, if I say select all from or any other query, I can say limit to, which means maximum show only 2 records. If I say select all from employee to show everything, I'm saying only 2 records you show. You show the first 2 records. So with the limit command, I can limit the records that is being shown to a certain amount that we want. Okay, if I say 3, limit 3, it will show only 3. Okay, fine. Now there are certain functions that we can use here. Before that, we will first write down what we need to know about these things, and then we will go to the functions part. Function we can implement for integers only. Okay, so we have only one integer salary, so we will use that for that. For now, these are the basic select queries that you should know. Okay, can you just write them down? And after you write it, write each this one, leave a space to draw the output. Okay, leave some space to draw the output. Okay,
So from the third one or the second one, sir?
from the first one. From the first one, you write down everything. Leave some space to draw the output for this. Okay.